The topic of today's video is how to connect Instagram with Make.com. Alright, so here we are on the Make dashboard. And what you want to do is go to connections on the left here. Now we're going to open up the scenario folder if this is your first time, and this would be my first time making a connection. Though, just a warning, I won't be making a full-on connection. I'll just show you how to get started and basically get Instagram connected. So we're gonna go to build from scratch, but you are more than welcome to start with a template. Alright, so over here, if it's not already clicked, you will click on the plus and you just want to scroll down on all apps over here and choose Instagram for Business. And now you can set up your event. So I'm just gonna pick the watch event, but you can pretty much set up any event you want, just so that we can get this connected. All right, now you want to click on create a webhook, and then you can name your webhook and then click on create a connection. Now you can set the advanced settings, or you can just click on save. And now it's going to open your default browser, which is going to open Facebook, because obviously your Facebook and Instagram are connected. And all you need to do is log into your Facebook account. And that is all there is to it. You'll see we have the Instagram option there at the bottom now. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.